What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel in Auto Addiction. Today we're going to do a video update on the Cutlass. So I know y'all been asking me for an update. I wish I could show you more of the car, but I just got to show you the kind of where we're at. I had to get it back over here to the shop. Sat for so long, the fuel pump ended up going bad, so that kind of sucks. So I put a fuel pump on it last night, and kind of see it out there. It's out there running. So I'm gonna get it pulled in here. I just got it out there running, trying to burn off some of all the crap that's been sitting in the bottom of the tank, I'm sure, and trying to let the carburetor kind of run through whatever buildups in it. So it's been out there running for about 10 or 15 minutes. It was smoking real bad, but now it seemed to smooth out a little bit. So to be expected, but let me show you where the fuel pump is. If you guys don't know about some of these mechanical fuel pumps, I'll show you where it's located versus the new style. It's like in the tank. So this one actually runs off the engine side, pretty easy to replace. Parts real cheap. I think it only cost me 40 bucks for the part, so not a bad thing. And also I had to put a battery in it so they can crank it, because the old battery wouldn't even hold a charge anymore. So we'll pull it in here real quick and I'll show you guys what we got going on. Alright guys, so she's super dirty. Said I had to replace the fuel pump, so she's super dirty right now. It's been just collecting dust over there at the body shop. Good news is they got the whole trunk cut in, the doors cut in, underneath the hood cut in, so all that. So basically I needed to get it running so that way they could put the car back together and get to going on painting the whole body. So all the little jams and everything are all cut in. It's got color on it. That's why I can't show you the rest of the car, because I don't want to reveal the color just yet. So sorry guys, don't want to ruin it for you. But had to put a new battery in it, so I went with a group bigger battery. If you guys are running these are supposed to have like a 75 PS series battery, so I went to a 78. It's like for the diesel trucks, it still fits in there. I just had to notch out one of the things on the battery tray, and then I replaced while I had it out, I replaced this with a longer battery bolt, so that way if I want to add a stereo or something, thing with the side post batteries that suck, you can't ever get something else in there, so this way I got a thing to put accessories. So just kind of thinking ahead, it was $7, so while I was doing it, might as well do it right. And then the fuel pump, you see it in there, the only thing shiny on the whole engine right now. That's a fuel pump. It's pretty easy to get to. There's a bolt on the top, a bolt on the bottom, and yeah, not too bad. Comes with a new gasket, so pretty straightforward. Just unhook your fuel lines, undo the 2 bolts, drop it out, and put the new one in. So not too bad. She will run now. So I'm gonna get this back to them this next week, and then they'll start putting the car back together, putting the fenders on, doors on, getting all the body lines lined up, and then start spraying the car. So yeah, the only thing they have left to take off is the cowling up here, because we're doing something with that. But yeah, sorry it's not a crazy long video, but at least wanted to give you guys an update. I'm super excited to get this car back. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, go over there, and I'll have some more pictures of the car as it goes on. And also, if you got any suggestions for wheels, drop them on my Instagram, and I'll check them out. Alright guys, yeah, and I gotta clean up the interior. It's full of dust. And they already got all the stuff in these boxes. It's already painted. It's all taped up, wrapped up. So they are making progress on it. So, like I said, sorry I can't show you the jams and everything, because I really want to reveal the color, because it's sick, dude. I'm so pumped, dude, to see what this car looks like. But all in good time. Give you one better reason to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button so you can see the revealing of the Cutlass. If I had to put a time frame on it, I'm probably going to say it's around January. I'd probably give them to the end of this month, probably a week or two, put everything back together on it. Paint it is probably going to be in November, and then I gotta get it. Before I reveal it, I want to get the guy that works here, he's really good with carbs, get him to rebuild the Holley carburetor on it. so that way it runs a little better. And then I gotta find a wheel, so I don't know, I may reveal it before I get wheels on it, but at least want to get it running good. But it won't look ugly like this right now. Like I said, sorry that it's the only footage I can give you guys, but I wanted to at least do an update because everybody's been asking, where's the Cutlass at? Where's the Cutlass? You sell it? Nope, still got it. Projects, man, what can you say? So we'll also be working on the F250 here shortly. Let's run upstairs and I'll show you guys what I got for that. Hold on. So we're gonna run upstairs. You guys know with the F250, it's got the 460 in it, and I bought the bank system for it, and I was pretty disappointed in the way it looked. So, lights on. So we'll run up here. I'll show you guys what we did. It's gonna be pretty. We ran up those stairs pretty fast, huh? All right, so you can see, check them out. So here's the exhaust for the F250 and the headers. We got them all ceramic coated. So a guy that does firearms here locally hooked me up and ceramic coated the headers so they look nice in this silver. So we're putting those back on. Got my old grill and stuff. It's kind of nice when you got a place to store some of your project stuff beside your house. Your wife's like, why do you have all these car parts? I'm like, I don't know, dear. Just try to keep myself entertained. So yeah, that's about all I got for this video. Like I said, short and sweet. Sorry, it's not a super long one, but at least wanted to give you guys an update and show you what we got to work with. So see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna get this shop locked up and go home. But you guys have a great rest of the day. Appreciate everybody watching, appreciate the support. Let's try to hit 3,000 subscribers. We're getting pretty close. And see you guys on the next video. But thanks again. Ooh, Cutlass.